Today we're marking the start of assembly of the Project Pele core assembly. This is the core of a new nuclear reactor. This project started over 5 years ago with a competitive selection of 3 contractors to start on Project Pele. There was a down selection to 2 and then to 1, which we won in June of 2022. So from this point forward, we'll be assembling the core, which consists of the reactor vessel that is filled with moderator blocks that helps us to moderate the nuclear reaction. After that, we'll be assembling our control rod drive mechanisms. These are what actually control the nuclear reaction. And after that, we'll assemble that into a 20-foot ISO container, which we call the reactor module.
And we're doing very meaningful work in providing a mobile, long-duration power source to, today, our warfighters. But where I think Pele will be going in the future, we'll scale it, we'll make it capable of producing more power, we'll make it more versatile so that it can be employed in small installations and remote places, perhaps even for commercial use.